Videotape here.
Oh.
Ready? Yeah.
I just got like fucking.
Bye!
You piece of shit! I never played the game. Yeah! You never played the game! Well, I am! I actually trained for this shit! I actually tried my ass! I was number one at one point! And you, out of all the people, somehow, some fucking way, you beat me! You, the person that's gonna play this game, beats me! Fuck off! Fuck you!
So, Draven, how was Dragon Ball Z therapy for you?
7 times. And I've never played. Ever. Hello! You beat me!
We just witnessed Bird's first therapy Dragon Ball Z moment. Bird, how did that make you feel?
Pissed off!
That's it.
Bird, don't piss yourself. Off! Don't piss yourself off.
State your name and where you're from.
From Saginaw.
You ain't say your name.
State your name and where you're from.
My name is Julio. I gotta do it all that. I was like,
You didn't say Julio? While you're straight up Mexican?
hey, you want me
really?
to make up a name or
That's
what?
pretty.
It don't matter. Just
Yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do.
Do you want this to be for real?
Oh, yeah, we gotta.
yeah, be for real. Yeah. All right. State your name and where you're from. Jesus Christ.
My bad. All right. I'm for real.
State your name and where you're from.
Julio Sanchez. From shit. Where the hell am I from? I have no clue. I forgot where I'm from.
Do you happen to know a man called Jake Philip Bird?
J. Philip Bird. Sounds familiar. It's on the tip of my tongue. White boy, right?
Correct.
White boy.
I mean, I can trim this out and use it for bloopers, so I mean, it's good.
I'm sorry, white boy. I can't wait.
You are a redneck.
Alright, so Jay. Yeah. I think I knew. I think I knew who you talking about tonight. Yeah, he a big boy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shit, yeah. I know who he is.
Are you friends with him at all?
A little bit. Yeah, here and there and that.
Well, hopefully you probably saw this on the news, but he's been missing for quite some time. Have you heard from him at all?
Now in like months. It's been months and that. When was this? I'm barely watching news.
This was about maybe a year ago, almost.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I do too many drugs. I mean, you know what I mean.
Okay, well, is there any concerns and or questions you'd like to share?
Hope that nigga all right. That's all I can say.
Hey, get the fuck out of here. Man, you sometimes make me wonder, why the hell am I so friends with you?
It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Don't be mad. Be happy.
He does that shit all the time when we're out in court. Fuck you, bitch.
You got a voice of an angel with a skull on your chin.
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm tough today.
Oh my god.
I love you.
Oh my god.
State your name and where you're from. To be honest, I was actually about to say nigga. That's what I was about to say. Like, all right, niggas, give me your name and where you're from. State your name and where you're from. What?
I got my whole face covered up. What's making you laugh?
I don't know. Think about what you said, bro. Okay, I'm gonna try to be serious. I'm trying to be serious.
All right. Take 3. State your name and where you're from.
Morgan Porter from Saginaw, Michigan.
Are you happen to be friends or now acquaintances with a Jake Phillip Bird?
Philip Burr, huh? Any white boy
Yes.
with the heritage?
Yes.
I went to the club with him a few times. I think I know who you're talking about.
When was the last time you heard from him?
Shit. Gotta be like a week ago. I don't know.
Okay. Well, just so you know, he's been missing for quite some time.
He's probably drunk somewhere. You'll find him.
Do you have any concerns you'd like to share?
Hopefully he comes home. But like I say, he's drunk. You got nothing to worry about him.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Then we gonna fall, then we let it pop, don't let it go. Come on, X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you, X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you.